my word. That's amazing. I can't even shake my hips like that. Whoa, that's a good finale, Kai. Oh, did you hurt your finger? That was good, huh, Kai? Hey, I went the finale. Where'd the finale go? Kai, you didn't jump on your bottom.
Again? What's that? Wow! He can shake his hips like